Now we're gonna see the pedestal movement. As a pedestal that holds a microphone, it can go up or down, right? A camera pedestal too. It's a movement, also related to, as it was, the dolly, or a truck. But the pedestal is from top to bottom, or from bottom to top. So let's create a camera here, really quick. To also do the same thing, I'm gonna take here, from here to here, for example. Look. I'm gonna change the camera lens, so we can see more things. I'm gonna change it to 24, alright? And I'm gonna come closer, to have a different effect here. Alright? So let's go. How can I do that? In the same way, I see here on the lateral. This time, I won't disable the target. I'm gonna show you that for you to animate, you can select the camera with Control and select the target too. Or just by clicking on this line, you're gonna animate the target as well the camera together. So here, we can set it to 0. For example, I'm gonna set it back to 100. In 0, I want it to be this high. I go to Auto key, create this key, and here in 100, I go to here. On top, it is just up and down. So take a look, when I go here and play it. Look how cool. So this effect is the pedestal effect, alright? And it can be this way, from top to bottom, as well as I have to select both. Because both are animated, don't forget to select both things. If you animated both, select both before changing this keyframe, otherwise it's going to... I'm gonna show you what can happen. Look, I'm gonna play it again, and now it's the opposite. It's going down. So this is the camera movement called pedestal. And I'm gonna show you what happens if you just select the camera and change places, these ones here. But first, I want to show you how it looks in perspective. Look, we are animating these here, alright? And then we are animating here, going down, because it's inverted, right? And if I just select the camera and invert these keyframes, it's gonna invert only the camera keyframes. Then look what happens. One is going down and another one's going up, because I forgot to select the camera target. Take a look, it's all crazy. Look how the preview looks. Whoa, it doesn't exist, alright? Don't do that, please. Don't do that. Unless it's on purpose. If you really want to do it this way, it's alright. It's not like you don't have to just follow. These exist in cinematographic movements. But if you use them, the animation will be much more realistic. Alright, so we have just seen the pedestal camera movement.